It's a Thunder River ride.
Car.
Oh, somebody else got a Carvana.
Why are they stopping here?
Maybe they think they have the wrong address.
Oh, she's pulling in our driveway. What is that?
I don't think they're the right house.
No, probably not.
They're turning around, I think.
Yeah, turn around. Oh, no.
Yeah, I think she's turning around.
I swear.
What
What?
is this?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, turn around. Come on.
What is she doing?
Turn around.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna hit something.
Oh, she hit the sign. She hit the
She
sign.
hit the sign with the trailer.
Yeah, the back of the trailer.
Well, it's a cute car, whose ever it is. Yeah, I guess she's turning around.
Andrew said he's home.
I thought you said Trevor.
I mean, yeah, sorry. I clicked on Andrew when I said that.
What's she doing, Shane?
I don't know. She's parking. She's getting out. Just push.
What is she doing?
I can't tell.
Don't climb on the window.
Oh, she's walking over here. I wonder why she's walking over here.
Stop.
Let's go to the door.
Get up, Steven.
I don't want to get up. Yeah!
Why not?
Because.
Because what?
Well, let me open the door before Milo.
He's
That's 'cause
can't
her car-
hear.
Milo
Why is
car-
my phone keep buzzing? Is that why you had the phone on?
What is it, Steven?
It's a car. I don't want to go outside now.
Come on, let's go.
I don't want to go outside.
Ready? Ready?
Come on, yeah, let's go. Stay.
Oh, Steven,
Yes.
she's here for you.
Oh, hey.
Hey, what are you doing, Steve? Mama, I have this beautiful gift for you.
Close the door. It's really for you.
What?
Yay!
Are you excited?
Yes.
It's really for you.
You had no idea?
No.
He really doesn't.
No.
Oh, well, you have this cool car on the hauler. You want to take a picture before I take it down?
Yes.
Sure.
How awesome.
You can walk out there.
Go check.
You deserve it. I told him he earned it. All of his straight A's and
Hi. You deserve it. Dang.
I told you Mama would cry.
Yeah. You did too. Well, yeah, I did.
He did. And she's gonna lower it down. Yep. It's fully loaded. Leather, sunroof. It's even got the
Yeah, I even knew. We've been trying to keep it downstairs.
yeah.
Yeah, Shane even knew.
It's got everything. Even the cool ambient lighting like your mom's does on the bottom.
The what?
The purple and change all the colors inside. Son gonna have a sunroof and let us see. Shawty. I didn't have all that when I was, well, 15 years old. That's awesome. Can't see. She's getting it all down. That's pretty cool, huh? It's gonna roll right now. Down the street. Yeah, it's automatic. No, it's got a crank. You got to crank the sunroof open.
makes sense.
Here she comes. I know I like that color. If you want to do anything like customized to it, got a Christmas coming up. Be just in time before you start driving.
There's a light on the trunk.
Yeah, it's your third brake light. I think it maybe needs a little spoiler.
You already trying to customize it.
I think it's great. Maybe just the spoiler. I think maybe that's all she needs. Well, you got to name her.
What am I don't know.
It's got to start with an F.
What?
Whatever you think of. It's your car. It's like naming a boat, man. You got to name your car. Here it comes.
It doesn't have squeaky brakes.
No, it's brand new. You surprised?
Yes, I was not expecting this.
We've known about this for about, what, 2 weeks, Shane?
Yeah.
Shane kept the secret good.
Do I get $10 now?
Sure. Let's go check it out. I think she's going to back it in the driveway.
Look at it. You did great.
Yeah, we had to get some color because both of our cars are white.
Yeah. Look at it.
Come on, Steven.
All right, guys, the keys are in the inside. Go ahead and check it out.
Awesome.
And I'll see you when you get back.
Thank you.
Enjoy your test fit. My pleasure. You want to see the front first?
Ooh.
Look up here.
Nice. Hey, they got a little koozies and stuff.
It's got leather seats. Leather seats. And heated
Yeah,
seats.
you get the
And a
sunroof.
sunroof.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Are these the keys?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, and
Oh, look. She
There we go, test drive.
Hold on, let me lower it. Are you videoing?
Yeah, video one. It's going on the
Car
channel.
coming.
I have to buckle up.
Yep, Shane, buckled up.
Everybody buckle.
It looks so nice.
Test drive.
Probably take it up to the church
I
and
was
let
gonna
him
go where we
drive.
went last time.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? In that little.
Yeah.
Okay. In the parking lot of that subdivision.
Woo!
This is. You have an aux port.
It's got the
Oh,
hands.
this has the sink thing?
Yeah, it's got
Yeah,
the sync,
it'll
so
sync to your
you
phone.
do hands-free
And you'll
talkie-talkie.
be able to call us with the button,
That's cool.
so you don't have to worry about touching your phone.
Yep, no touchy phone.
I love the gauges. That look
They're white.
Yeah.
It's awesome. It's a good size too, huh? It's so comfortable.
It's about the size of what Hannah's car is now that you're driving,
Yeah.
but you got your own. We can take hers back. Thank you, Hannah,
Thank you, Hannah.
for letting us borrow your car for a little while so he could practice.
So do this. You can try your
What?
radio. See what your radio sounds like. Push it back down.
What?
There you go.
And this has the premium sound. There's a subwoofer in the trunk that's all factory.
You have to probably tune it.
Yeah.
There you go. On the station.
99.7 or whatever. 97.1, whatever you want to do. I'm going to talk over this because it's probably going to be copyrighted.
Oh, yeah. Maybe not. Sorry. Whoops. Then you hit this button and you can adjust all your stuff. It's like,
The base.
Yeah, Mama, you need to drive.
Yum.
Hands off the device.
Look, it even shows your temperature. The degrees outside. There's a little thing for your...
It's the party roof.
No. No, it's not. No partying.
Mm-hmm.
Ambient lighting.